No matter how far we get with gardening and how many years we spend doing it, we will still do some mistakes sometimes. When I saw the condition of this plant, I started thinking back as to what wrong did I do with this plant that it ended up in this condition. So that's when I realized that when I saw that it is growing long, I thought I can twirl it up to my balcony rails. So what I did is I tied a rope to the beginning of this vine here, and then I tied it up to my balcony rail. But probably I pulled it so hard that the roots got disturbed.
So let's see how to revive this.